Hello guys, welcome to Indian Pacific. Today we will learn about Android application development. So let's start. First of all, what is Android? Android is an open source Linux based operating system which we can run on Android smartphones, tablets, etc. Android was developed by the Open Handset Alliance and led by the Google and other companies. This tutorial will teach you about the basic Android programming, introduction to Android Studio, and create a demo Android Studio project. Android application having a four major components: activity, service, broadcast receiver, and content provider. Where activity handles the user interface and UI, almost all the activity interacts with the user. Now service handles the background process and it interacts with the content provider. Broadcast receiver, it is communication between Android OS and the application. Simply, it's a response to broadcast message where the message is sometimes called as a event, activity, etc. And content provider handle the database and database management. For example, reminder setup reminder is an activity. Store reminder data by content provider. Now service will check in background for reminder, and broadcast receiver handles the event of reminder and gives us reminder. For the installation of Android Studio, you need to install Java Development Kit. After install of Java Development Kit, you go to the Google and search Android Studio download, and the download Android Studio and install it. After installing Android Studio, open the Android Studio and start a new Android Studio project. After start a project, you see very many activities like bottom navigation activity, empty activity, basic activity, new activity. But now we are still empty activity. Then click on next. After click on next, they ask you for a project name. Currently we are taking the project name is demo project, and here the package name of our project, and we can choose the programming language like a Java or Kotlin, but now we are choosing Java and click on finish. Currently it is building a Gradle and creating project for us, so it takes some time. After successful creating a project, you will see like in the directory manifest, Java, and resource. In manifest directory you will see all activities here, and you will find a project name, project icon. You can change icon here. In Java file, you will see a main activity Java file. You will see on create method one in Java file, on create a method in a main activity class. Is main activity class having a content layout with a activity main, where the R is a resource, layout and activity main. In layout file design, you can choose any controller using. Currently we are having a constant layout, but you can choose any other layout like a relative layout, linear layout, etc. And we are having a one text box with text is hello world. See here, you can see hello world here, but you can choose any other controllers like a button, image view, recycle view, fragment. You can also use a plain text, plain text, password, and many other features. Video view, web view. So let's run the program and see the output. It's run on emulator, so it takes some time. So now you can see our project name is demo project and see hello world. Now currently we are creating a new activity in Java file. So for creating an activity in new and Java activity, and select the empty activity. Our new activity name is login activity. Now we're creating a login activity for us. We can see our login activity created, and then XML file for login activity, it is also created. Now we are taking a two plain text box Now we are creating a login activity page. For login activity page, we can take two plain text. And set the construct. Now our login page is ready. We can change by login button name here, like a login, and edit text name is, first of all we take edit name username, and second edit text name is password. We can set input type like is for our edit text is for password we can take text input, text password. For username we can set our input type is text email. Now our login page is ready. Now go to the manifest file. In manifest file we can see our intent filter set in main activity. That's why main activity will come first in our application. So now we can set intent filter in login activity. That's why login activity will comes first. So let's see the output. You will see output here. You can see our login activity will come first. Hope you guys like the video. If you like the video, please subscribe to our channel Indian Pacific. Thank you.